be real.
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Yeah, let's just be honest.
Let's just be real.
What's up guys, Anime TV Live. Start talking to you about Leader. Now let's recap My Hero Academia episode. Now this episode we saw that Midoriya, Todoroki and Leader worked as a team to defeat Stain, and how the defeated Stain was so perfect because they both had a role in defeating Stain. And we also saw that Endeavor also helped out civilians and helped defeat other normal creatures, and his power was quite interesting. Now we see that he's called number 2, but I think in my case he should be crowned number 1 because All Might has been weakened, and I don't think Endeavor knows that he's been weakened. So speaking about Leader, let's talk about Leader now. Now Leader I was quite interested about him because he used his powers in a way where he used it in combat. Now we always look at Leader as some kind of person as a kind of guy who just runs at situations. Although he doesn't use his brain, but we don't think of him as a combat kind of person. Because how he used his legs, it was kind of like Sanji. Because we know Sanji's kicks are powerful, but it's like Leader's kicks are powerful and fast. And since Leader has speed and he has power, it makes him rank on par with Todoroki and Midoriya of how he can use his powers as well as them. So now, Leader, how he used his powers was quite interesting because he used it in 2 senses. One, to propel himself up into Stain, and the second to just fling Stain away from Todoroki so that Todoroki won't come off harm. Now, if Leader keeps on using his powers, of course he'll unlock himself into greater potential, and he'll use his powers in a better way, because now he's seen how quick Stain is, so Leader needs to think fast on how to intercept villains' threats or insights on coming. Because now, what Leader needs to do right now is to actually know and how to predict when villains are coming. Because if he uses his Nitro Boost at the right time, he will do so much damage, the villains will be like, what? They'll be so surprised. So if Leader actually does this, he'll be quite a smart and reasonable person, and he'll just be in a trio with Midoriya and Todoroki and Bakugo, because Bakugo is quite interesting still. Although we haven't seen much of him, we saw that he's learning how to think smartly. So maybe this will impact on My Hero Academia series. So Leader will grow into a strong and powerful man, because his engine boosters will always keep on getting stronger, and he'll probably find some kind of way to make his engine boosters not taxed on his body as much it did in the My Hero Academia recent episode. So anyways, what do you guys think? What do you guys think Leader's options of future could be? What do you think he's going to achieve? How do you think he's going to get stronger? Leave a like and share, subscribe, leave a comments down below. Peace. See you next time.